people don't read this with the expectation of it being true. I mean,
Excuse me? People don't have an expectation that what they're reading is true?
they read it for the immediacy.
But you're using the word journalism, so there is an expectation that what they're reading is true. But let me take it a step further. Let's say it is true. Jimmy Kimmel was visibly intoxicated last night at the Soho bar in West Hollywood. It's not true, but we don't care about that, so let's pretend that it is, since we're doing that anyway. Why does that story belong on your site?
Honestly, I think there's a shifting definition of what's public and private.
There is, and we should care about that, but my question is, why should we care about a talk show host drinking at a bar?
Don't you think it's great that we're not putting people up on a pedestal and worshiping them anymore?
I don't think that celebrities are one of the bigger problems facing us, no. And aren't we the ones building the pedestal? I mean, we've got a map that gives us their exact locations.
Well, the idea is acknowledging that they're real people.
I wonder how many of us didn't already know that. But you're doing more than just acknowledging them. You're actively beating them up for it.
Aren't they protected by the piles of money that they're surrounded by?
Okay, what's the line of demarcation? You make X dollars a year, and now you get to be treated by us as a regular person who's basically had an electronic bracelet slapped on their ankle. What does X equal?
Well, it would be silly to name an exact dollar amount.
You're paid $55,000 a year.
Well, that's private.
Sorry. That's almost twice the national average for a family of 4. Do your piles of cash protect you from this interview in which I am intentionally stripping you of your dignity? Which, by the way, I have managed to do without lying once. I am going to give you one more chance to answer my question before I answer it myself. What is the value of an unsourced, unvetted story about a grown man drinking at a bar? I can't give you all day. It's entertainment. Look, my concern is not for the celebrities, even though as sure as we are sitting here, somebody is going to get hurt. My concern lies with the rest of us, who you are turning into a wild pack of prideless punks.